If you want your indoor plants to grow faster, greener, and healthier without expensive products, many houseplants look stuck because of a few simple mistakes. In this video, I'll reveal 10 easy ways to encourage faster indoor plant growth. From better lighting and watering to feeding, pruning, and improving the soil. Stay until number 1, because it could completely change the way you care for your plants. Number 1. Give your plants more light. Light is one of the biggest factors controlling indoor plant growth. Even plants labeled low light usually grow faster when they receive enough bright, indirect light. Place your plants near a bright window where they can receive several hours of filtered sunlight without getting scorched. If natural light is weak, especially during darker seasons, consider using a quality grow light. Rotate your pots every week or two so all sides receive balanced light and the plant grows evenly instead of leaning toward one direction. Watch the leaves for clues. Pale, stretched, or unusually small new growth can indicate insufficient light. On the other hand, crispy brown patches may mean the sunlight is too intense. Find the right balance, and your plant can produce stronger stems, larger leaves, and faster new growth. Number 2. Water only when the plant needs it. Watering correctly can dramatically improve indoor plant growth. Instead of following a strict schedule, check the soil first. Push your finger about an inch into the topsoil, or use a moisture meter to see whether it is still damp. When the plant actually needs water, thoroughly soak the soil until excess water drains from the bottom of the pot. Then allow the soil to dry to the level appropriate for that particular plant. Constantly wet soil can suffocate roots and encourage root problems, while extremely dry soil can slow growth and cause stress. Always use a pot with drainage holes. Remember, faster growth doesn't come from simply adding more water. It comes from giving roots the right balance of moisture and oxygen. Number 3. Feed with the right fertilizer. Plants need nutrients to create new leaves, roots, stems, and flowers. Even good potting soil eventually loses some available nutrients, so regular feeding can help maintain healthy growth. During active growing periods, use a balanced fertilizer suitable for your specific plant and follow the label instructions carefully. More fertilizer does not mean faster growth. Overfeeding can damage roots and cause leaf problems. Start with the recommended amount rather than creating a stronger mixture. Some plants prefer specialized formulas, while others do perfectly well with a balanced houseplant fertilizer. Feed less frequently or stop during periods when your plant naturally slows down. Healthy roots, adequate light, proper watering, and appropriate nutrition work together. Fertilizer should support good care, not compensate for poor lighting, waterlogged soil, or damaged roots. Number 4. Use fresh, well-draining soil. Healthy roots are the foundation of fast plant growth. If your potting mix has become compacted, water may stay trapped around the roots, reducing airflow and slowing development. Choose a high-quality potting mix appropriate for your plant and make sure it drains well. Tropical plants often appreciate a loose mixture that allows both moisture and oxygen to reach the roots. Succulents and cacti generally need an even faster draining mix. Avoid using heavy garden soil for most indoor containers because it can compact and drain poorly. When repotting, don't automatically choose a huge pot. A container only slightly larger than the existing root system is often better. Fresh, airy soil gives roots room to breathe and access to moisture and nutrients, creating better conditions for stronger, healthier growth. Number 5. Keep the leaves clean. Dusty leaves can make your plant look dull, but keeping foliage clean also helps maintain healthy leaves. Over time, dust can accumulate on broad leaves and cover parts of the surface. Gently wipe large, smooth leaves with a soft, damp cloth. For smaller or delicate plants, a gentle shower can sometimes remove dust, provided the plant tolerates it and can dry properly afterward. Avoid aggressive rubbing or using household cleaning products on leaves. Clean foliage also makes it easier to spot pests, discoloration, or other problems before they become serious. Make leaf cleaning part of your regular plant care routine, especially for plants with large leaves, such as Monstera, Philodendron, and rubber plants. Healthy, clean foliage can help your plants stay vigorous and make their new growth look even more impressive. Number 6. Improve humidity when needed. Some indoor plants grow faster when humidity matches their natural environment. Tropical plants, such as Calathea, Alocasia, and many philodendrons, often appreciate higher humidity than the average dry indoor room provides. If your home is very dry, consider using a humidifier near your plants. Grouping several plants together can also create a slightly more humid microenvironment. However, avoid keeping foliage constantly wet or placing plants in stagnant, poorly ventilated areas, because excessive moisture can encourage fungal and bacterial problems. Humidity should be combined with good airflow. Watch your plant rather than blindly increasing moisture. Crispy leaf edges and browning tips can sometimes indicate dry conditions, although they may have other causes too. Give humidity-loving plants the environment they need, and you may notice healthier leaves and stronger new growth. Number 7. Prune damaged growth. Pruning can help your plant direct its energy toward healthy growth. Remove dead, severely damaged, or diseased leaves using clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears. For some plants, strategic pruning can also encourage branching and create a fuller appearance. Always understand the growth pattern of your specific plant before making major cuts. Don't remove healthy leaves simply because they are older. Leaves still contribute energy to the plant. When pruning, make clean cuts and avoid unnecessarily damaging healthy stems. If you discover pests or disease, remove affected material promptly and keep the plant separated from others when appropriate. Pruning isn't about cutting as much as possible. It's about removing what the plant no longer needs and encouraging a healthy structure. Done correctly, it can help create bushier, more attractive indoor plants. Number 8. Repot. When the roots need more space. A plant can eventually outgrow its container, especially when it has been growing actively for a long time. Signs may include roots circling heavily around the pot, roots emerging from drainage holes, soil drying unusually quickly, or growth slowing despite good care. When repotting is appropriate, choose a container only slightly larger than the current one. A dramatically oversized pot can hold excess moisture for too long and create problems. Gently loosen tightly packed roots and place the plant into fresh, suitable potting mix. Water appropriately after repotting and give the plant time to adjust. Not every plant needs frequent repotting, so don't disturb healthy roots unnecessarily. When roots have genuinely become restricted, however, giving them fresh soil and appropriate space can support renewed growth and healthier development. Number 9. Give your plants good airflow. Good airflow is an underrated part of indoor plant care. Plants need fresh air around their leaves, and gentle circulation can help prevent stagnant, overly humid conditions. A small fan set on a low setting can provide gentle movement without blasting the plant directly. Don't place plants directly in front of strong air conditioning or heating vents, because sudden temperature changes and dry air can stress them. Good spacing between plants also allows air to move around the foliage and makes it easier to inspect leaves for pests. Airflow doesn't directly act like fertilizer, but it helps create a healthier growing environment. Combine gentle circulation with appropriate humidity, light, watering, and temperature, and your plants can maintain healthier foliage and stronger growth. Sometimes, a small environmental improvement makes a surprisingly big difference. Number 10. Check your plants every week. The fastest way to improve plant growth is to catch problems early. Once a week, take a few minutes to inspect every plant. Look underneath leaves for pests. Check the soil moisture, examine new growth, and look for yellowing, browning, wilting, or unusual spots. Check whether the plant is receiving enough light and whether roots are becoming crowded. Early action is much easier than trying to rescue a severely damaged plant later. Keep a simple care routine so you remember which plants need water, feeding, pruning, or repotting. Most importantly, learn to observe how your plants respond to changes. Every species has different needs. When you consistently provide the right conditions and respond quickly to problems, your plants have a much better chance of producing healthy new growth and reaching their full potential. And there you have it, 10 simple ways to make your indoor plants grow faster and healthier. Remember, you don't need a complicated routine. Focus on the basics: enough light, correct watering, proper nutrition, healthy soil, good airflow, and regular observation. Small improvements can make a huge difference over time. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indoor plant tips, gardening secrets, and easy ways to grow a greener home. See you in the next video.